Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Friday 7th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at euro dollar now, which has taken on a little bit more of an uptick today. But I mean, if you look at the market in the last sort of couple of months, 3 months, really, it's basically gone nowhere pretty much. Trading above the 1505 old floor, sort of holding on to that support earlier this week, 1530, rebounding. But trading below the 1735 reaction high from last week, underneath 1745, which were the July highs for the majority of the month. And that sort of makes the market fairly static, fairly neutral. You look at the momentum indicators, very slight positive bias actually with today's sort of uptick, but the momentum indicator is fairly sort of neutral really. Very mild move higher, sort of as the RSI has sort of ticked up a bit, but to be honest, it's nothing really, and I don't really expect too much in front of payrolls to really be sort of taken. You've got the hourly chart here, which I've got a pivot that I've had on this chart for a while, 1650, dated back to sort of the end of August, really. It came in the last sort of day or so, again as basis of resistance. So it is something to watch out for. In this mild positive bias, the initial floor, 16 big figure, yesterday's low before a bit of a rebound. But yeah, I think we're sort of waiting for payrolls really. I mean, look at these moving averages, basically all conversion pretty much flat on the hourly chart. Momentum indicators, again, slightly positively biased, but nothing too decisive. So a breakout above 1650 would open these sort of highs again above 17 figure. That 17 figure high, 1735 high from last week is the key level near term. But then you come into all these highs from July again. So there is still a lot of overhead resistance to get through in order to drive a recovery. And I think at the moment we're still fairly much neutrally configured on euro dollar. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.